Tapos kahit binitawan ka na niya, kasi sihira yan tayo, di ba? Kahit binitawan ka na niya, continue on running. And never sit.
Ano, nervous ka ba?
So he just woke up. Sabi ako, lagi ako maaga gumising. Kasi napagod siya mag-dive. Kaya tingnan niya yung mata niya.
Yan, nag-red guys.
Nagkaroon ng clot.
So guys, na-try ni Andre yung ano ba tawag dyan? Paragliding. Paragliding, no? Paragliding. Paramotor gliding.
Ayun nga, hindi pumapasok
So,
sa utak natin.
Dito lang yan sa Ohana Wave. Andre, kinakabahan ka ba?
Oo.
Ha? Excited?
Excited dito pero
Oh, yan.
ako.
Good afternoon guys. This is Juan Migbondok and welcome to our YouTube channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa San Juan, La Union. Dito sa resort na Ohana Wave. So yan, ang ganda-ganda ng room. Pasensya na guys, hindi namin nakuna ng maganda yung kwarto dahil kasi dumating kami dito late na. Pero ano, pakitaan ba natin yung room?
No, later na. Kasi sobrang
Sobrang
makalat.
gulo.
Kasi late na tayo dumating.
Dumating, yeah.
So he just woke up. Sabi ako, lagi ako maaga gumising. Kasi napagod siya mag-dive. Kaya tingnan niya yung mata niya.
Yeah, nag-red guys.
Nagkaroon ng clot. Sabi naman ng doctor, nothing to worry
yeah.
about. Yeah. So we'll take you to Ohana Wave here in La Union. San Juan?
San Juan, La Union.
San Juan, La Union. It's a family thingy for Juan Mig and I.
Yeah.
So, samahan niyo kami magpamilya as we
Yeah.
take you to
Ohana Wave.
Ohana Wave,
La Union.
La Union. Special thanks to Jay Puen,
Yeah.
kasi siya yung owner ng resort na to, for letting us shoot here in his beautiful resort.
Yeah.
So, sa mga gustong pumunta dito, it's just 4 hours away from Manila.
4 hours,
So,
30 minutes.
yeah, so you might want to check it out.
Yeah, so later tutur namin kayo sa Ohana Wave. Napakagandang resort na to. And i-follow nyo yung Instagram nila, Ohana Wave
Resort, La Union.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
post it here down below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Follow nyo sa Instagram. Then mamaya mag-ano tayo, aerial shot. At isasakay ko si Honey na sa drone.
Huh?
Yay! Ready to go!
Yeah.
Ready to swim!
Huh? Again, no. We're on our way down to have lunch. And we're going to meet my family. Everyone's there for lunch. So ako yung taga-hawak ng camera ngayon. I'm trying to learn. Pero parang hindi ko techy talaga. Tignan mo yung ulo mo, nawawala.
Learn how to use your new stabilizer.
Yeah, he gifted me with a camera stabilizer, but I don't know how to use it. We're gonna meet with si Jay Buen, my friend, the owner. Ayan, there's Andre. Hi! And Inigo.
Afternoon!
Hey! Hi! Oh, that's Andre. Inigo. Hey, eto na, sinasabi ko na kwento ko sa inyo. Hi, Jay! Hi!
Hello? Well, you're so beautiful. Wow.
Hello!
Hello.
Say hi! They're the owners of Ohana Wave.
Welcome to Ohana Wave.
Yeah, it's so nice. Your resort is so nice. Super.
Thank you.
I've been there kaninang umaga. I had my breakfast in front of the sea. Ganda. Yay! Yoo-hoo! Finally, we're here, kapatid. I'm here.
We have a little gift for you.
Oh my God.
I hope you enjoy
Oh,
it.
thank you.
It's made by me, designed by me, and then handcrafted by the local elders here in La
Wow.
Union. So it's a little gift we have.
Oh,
from
thank
our grand
you.
piano.
Thank you. Here. Oh, wow. Here. I love it. Pag Filipino made talaga and handcrafted, I mean, this is something that we should be proud about. She's not only beautiful, but she's talented. So guys, follow Keanu. Is this on Instagram and Facebook?
Keanu_PH.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. I'm
Thank
just
you.
gonna open it later. Thank you.
Ohana Wave!
Yes,
Don't
diba?
forget to go and visit Ohana Wave.
Yeah, and they gifted us with something.
Ay, thank you.
It's on online.
Yes.
It's
Thank you to the owners of Ohana
yeah.
Wave.
Crochet
Crochet made by
bag
the locals here.
made by the locals here.
Wow.
So, diba? So,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
then my hat also. I'm officially
Ohana
Ohana Babe.
Wave.
Gusto mo yun? Ohana babe. Yeah.
swimwear.
Ay! Nakikita ko nga yung post nyo eh. Nag-ready ako. Charot. Thank you. See you around.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys. We are back. Jay and Clarice will explain. Crystal. Clarice tuloy. Pag-aawahin ko pa sila. Sorry, yan yung nakakatawa sa vlog. Anything goes. Yeah. What's gonna happen today?
Explain them.
We're gonna do paramotoring. Woo!
Yeah,
Paramotoring. Okay, so only here at Ohana Wave, here in La Union, San Juan. So they're the owners of this resort and they happen to be my friends. I only met her today because Jay has been my friend for the longest time. He is a photographer, one of the best photographers that we have in the Philippines. And now with his model wife, obviously so beautiful. So they're asking us to try this new thing. I don't know what it's called. That's why I'm asking them to explain it. Andre is going to be the first one to try it. So let's see how it goes. Woo! This is it, Pansit. Yeah, how'd you like my hat? Yeah. It was delayed a while ago, but this is it. The moment of truth. Yeah.
Hands up, sir. Hindi mo signature.
Hep hep hooray! Hep hep hooray! Yes, pasok Kuya Will.
First position natin, sir. Sa parang side dito. Okay, then nasa likod ng si pilot, sir. I-inflate ni pilot yung wing, sir. Atras na tayo ng konti. Atras lang. Huwag tayo mag-limbak. Atras lang. Okay, then turn sideways. Yan. Pag nakarat na tayo dito, sir, yung time sabihin ni pilot na run. Pag sinabi niyo, sir, dire-diretso takbo lang po. Kahit feel mo nang nakalift ka, huwag kang uupo. Dire-diretso takbo lang, sir, hanggang sa itap ka ni pilot, pwede ka nang umupo na. Yan lang, sir. Importante yan, sir, yung running lang.
Go, Andre.
Kayang-kaya mo yan. So guys, na-try ni Andre yung ano ba tawag yan? Paragliding. Paragliding, no? Paragliding. Paramotor gliding.
Ayun nga, hindi pumapasok
So,
sa utak natin.
Dito lang yan sa Ohana Wave.
So may briefing po kami. Hanggang briefing lang po ako. Ano mula na. Hindi na ako
Sino may
guys.
balat?
Opo. Ako po, pilot charter, sir. Ako po, naamin ko na ako na po.
Pero,
Biglang umulan.
Actually, tumawag si Carl, sabi niya, heavy rain, kala niya nag-take off na ako.
Oh.
Kasi if you get caught with this, it's hard to pray. Down. Kaya nga, don't take off hanggat hindi mo nabasa yun. This is all about cloud trading.
Oh. Sayang, hindi kami tumawag sa pag-asa.
Wala rin magagawa sa pag-asa.
Wala eh. Guys, sayang. So guys, mamaya ulit. Safety comes first. So yan, if you guys wanna try this, you can try this at Ohana Wave. And of course, with the one and only pilot, Sir Arthur.
Adventure Nomads PH.
Yes, follow him down below. Yes.
So yan na guys, magpa-paragliding na si Andre. So tingnan natin kung okay ba mag-paraglide. We're all excited to try it. So let's see. Si Han, nauuna na. Si Dre. Andre, kinakabahan ka ba?
Oo.
Ha? Excited?
Excited dito, pero
Oh, yan.
ako.
Kaya mo yan.
Practice nga ako takbo.
Ikaw ang guinea pig. So Han, what can you say?
I'm nervous for my son, of course.
Yeah. Kaya ni Andre yan.
Yeah,
Have
I know.
faith. Yan guys, Ohana Wave. 4 hours and 30 minutes away from Manila. So, ganda. Ganda dito. Dre. Ready ka na ba, Andre?
Yes.
Yes. Yan. Let's go. Paragliding at LU. Ano sabi mo?
I'm so ready to watch, Andre.
Yes. So, teka, pasalamat naman kayo sa nanood ng ano niya.
Oh yeah.
Hi,
Yung ano
guys.
natin.
Sa lahat po ng mga nanood po sa aming project na ang Mother Sacrifice. Maraming salamat po. Sana po panoorin niyo ulit.
Yan.
Para dumami po yung views.
Yan, oh, diba?
Only 169 pesos a month. Unlimited episodes only from Viva Movie
Viva
Box.
Movie Box.
Yan, diba?
Download na.
Download na, 169 pesos lang.
Nag-download ka na ba, Han?
Ha?
Hindi pa.
Oo, nag-download na.
Mag-download ka na.
Download ka na dito.
Oo, panonoorin ko yun. Ha? Para sa'yo.
Yes, Andre. How does it feel?
Hala.
Migo?
Kinakabahan nga ni.
Ah?
First time nga ni.
Oo nga, kayo ang take one for the team. Si Edison nga pala, siya, yan.
Pero hindi ako sasakay.
Oo, wala lang, napadaan lang siya. So, how does it feel, Andre? Ha?
Haba, no?
Yan nga. So, ayan siya, oh. Ayun ang gagawin mo, tatakbo-takbo ka. Actually, Andy, you have to run here, going back to Manila. Our pilot is just waiting na yung may go signal kami. Kasi nga, he's making it sure that it's all safe here. Kasi parang may parating yata. Ano may parating, pilot?
Rain, actually.
Ah, yung
Heavy
rain.
Super
Ah.
heavy rain.
So we have to avoid that. So they're making sure that everything's gonna be okay. Guys! Ito yung tropang single. Alam na. Ito rin, Eds. Mga gustong i-DM na lang sila. Yan si Inigo Garcia. Of course, my son, Andre. Comment down below.
Comment down below.
If you guys are single, si Andre, kilala ko yan pag ganyan. Nininervous yan.
So ano masasabi mo sa Ohana Wave?
Ah, it's so nice. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, owner to is my friend, si Jay
Oh.
Buen. So, sobrang tagal nang ini-invite tayo dito, Han. Eh,
Oh.
ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng oras. Sorry, square yung nandito yung cellphone ni Honey. So, medyo square, SpongeBob ako. So, yun. Ganda. Para siyang Santorini mini type, but
Yeah.
it's here in La Union. It's just like 4 hours and 30 minutes. So,
Yes.
etong namin bonding with my family, my side naman to, with
Yeah.
1 meg. So, ikaw, ano naramdaman mo nakasama mo yung pamilya ko?
Masaya ako. Komportable naman ako sa family mo eh.
Yeah, ever since naman.
Yeah, sobrang babait ang family ni Honey.
Yeah, they all
Yeah.
like you.
Yeah.
Yee!
Kinikilig si Honey. Makita mo naman ang outfit of the day. Oh, yan oh. Oo. Diba?
Kasi bawal akong mag two-piece. Masunurin akong jowa. So, eto na.
Ready ng paragliding ngayon. No. Ayun na yung motor.
Wait, you
Ayun na po
dapat
ang
dito
piloto.
galing hangin eh. So, pag dito galing hangin, when I say run, you will have to run. A-assist ka naman ni Julius. Tapos kahit binitawan ka na niya, kasi hihila niya tayo, di ba? Kahit binitawan ka na niya, continue on running. And never sit.
Ano, nervous ka ba?
So, parang hit niyo yung
At si Andre ang guinea pig.
run. Sige. You're actually pulling it. Oops. Wait lang. Don't run upwards. Huwag pababa, kasi doon tayo pupunta. Okay? So parang normal run lang.
So guys, Ohana Wave Resort prepared for a Budo fight for us. So this is so exciting. Oh my God, because this is going to be another great bonding for me and my family, and of course with 1 mig. We'd like to take the owners for preparing such a beautiful and sumptuous dinner. Look here. Oh my God, this is seafood overload. And exciting only from Ohana Wave. Thank you so much. Ang saya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ito yung pinakahinahanap kong matagal na. Oh my God. Ang sarap. This is talato. Oh my God. This is what I've been looking for in Siquijor. Oh my God. They have it here. So guys, samahan nyo kami for a Budo fight with the whole family.
Guys, subukan fight kami ngayon dito sa Ohana. Thank you na Ohana Resort. Guys, yan na po nagtatapos sa aming little fight. So, never again.
Malawag kung sinong last man standing.